Hi guys! Welcome to my first ever video of sneakers unboxing. I was looking so much forward to it. I mean, this shoe is fantastic. A little introduction. So, I'm a great shoes lover. I'm really crazy about collaborations, beautiful sneakers, material and quality of the shoe. Together with my brother Simon, we participate in many drops, we follow the pages just to keep up to date what are the newest releases of shoes. And 2 weeks ago I participated in a drop of this Nike Air Force 1 low and I got them. So today I will open a brand new Air Force 1 with Mocha model for you so that you can see it together with me. Here we can see this amazing box and wow, you know what, even the paper has got a great texture, I mean with a small little stars. And there we go. Wow! I mean they are fabulous, you know, this beautiful mocha suede and this fantastic sole with tinted rubber. You know, it's really difficult sometimes to keep the shoes in such a condition as when you take it out of the box, but I think this rubber will be doing pretty great job when we will be using this shoe really. I don't think it will be that difficult to clean it and keep it as beautiful as we have it here. Guys, trust me, I can smell the quality from here. Can you? So this shoe I actually ordered thinking about my brother, so it's 44. But I'm gonna test it for you on feet. Thank you guys for joining for today's unboxing. I hope you like the wheat mocha as much as I do, and I definitely recommend it for anyone. They are pretty unisex. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I totally recommend it to everybody who wants to add a little bit of class to their daily outfits. See you in the next video, guys.